3 signs that you might be holding too much pelvic floor tension to help with diastasis recti healing. So having too much tension can play a big role in the ability of you to heal your midline. So let's talk through those 3 signs. So sign number 1 is when you go to take a nice big inhale down, it just kind of feels like it hits a wall and you're not really inhaling down past your belly button much. It just kind of feels like, oh, it gets here and then it gets a little bit stuck. So give me a big inhale and see if you can get that inhale to go down. Now, sign number 2 is you have more of that kind of bread loaf appearance to your abdominal wall. So when our TAs that work with our pelvic floor, they tend to join in together. So I notice that people who hold too much pelvic floor tension almost always seem to hold a little too much TA tension as well. So the two kind of go hand in hand, and you've got to work on one to work on the other. So as you hold TA tension, it kind of cinches in the sides a little bit, but it makes the front push out a little bit more. So if you notice you have kind of that bread loaf look in the front, or you feel like, oh, I feel really distended, then that can be a sign that you have too much pelvic floor tension and too much TA tension. And then sign number 3 is being able to breathe into your sides. So take your hand, place it on your side, give me a big inhale. Can you feel a lot of expansion through your sides? If you drop your hand down, can you expand into your pelvic bowl? Give me a really big inhale down in here. Or does it feel like it stops and it stops? So you're not getting that expansion down, you're not getting that expansion out to the side. Then that's telling me that you may have too much pelvic floor tension to help promote midline healing. And so being able to work on your breathing, being able to breathe down, breathe into your sides, get that inhale to really help that musculature lengthen, let go, or even eccentrically load is going to be critical for getting your abdominal wall to help with healing and balance.